Hi everyone, welcome back to the course sheet. This is Vedant, and in this video we will be learning about a problem which is often repeated in the interviews, and it is actually a very simple problem, and it is based on the concept of arrays. The problem is basically finding the mean and median of an unsorted array. So it is actually a very simple problem, and that is something that we will be discussing about in this video. So before we get started, let us try and understand a bit more about Newton School. So Newton School is actually an edtech platform which guarantees you 100% placement by charging you 0 rupees as fee until and unless you get placed with a minimum package of 5 lakhs or even more. So Newton School is doing this in collaboration with a number of really great companies that can be found out on the platform, that is newtonschool.co. Newton School is actually offering a number of courses, like courses designed for full stack development to curated courses for women and even working professionals. So once you take these courses, you will be entirely job ready. And in the recent times, Newton School has started the Launchpad program, under which it is offering a number of really great courses entirely for free. And these courses are offered by some of the are actually taught by some of the really great instructors from well-placed areas. And all you have to do is just enroll yourself into these courses, and upon the completion, you will get a course completion certificate as well. And in the meantime, if you feel like doing any coding related stuff, you can always hop onto Newton School's own playground platform where you can create your own customized playground like we have done in the previous videos, and you can start off your coding in any choice of your language. So that is it about Newton School. And to apply for the grand coding contest that Newton School is organizing, and the join now button is here on the newtonschool.co platform. Do apply here and prepare yourself for the coding contest which is being held in the near future. So on that note, let us now begin with the topic, that is finding the mean and median of an unsorted array. So topic in itself is actually very simple. The requirement that we have at hand is mean and median of we have a mean and we have a median of an unsorted array, right? So that is something that we will be focusing on right now. So what does mean and median mean? Wow, that is a good one. So mean and median का मतलब ये होता है कि if we think about the mathematical formula behind mean. So mean क्या होता था? We would be adding all the terms, and upon adding, what we used to do is we used to divide it with the number of terms that were present, right? So that is something that we'll be implementing here as well. Okay. एंड द सेकंड इज दैट इट इज एन अनसॉर्टेड अरे. सो मीन के लिए अपन को ये रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है कि वो सॉर्टेड है कि अनसॉर्टेड है, राइट? दैट इज सॉर्टिंग ऑफ एन अरे इज समथिंग दैट विल बी रिक्वायर्ड, that will be required in the median when we will be dealing with the median part of the array. Okay, तो mean जो है उसको हम void declare कर सकते हैं, void mean, and what we can do is we can declare an array of elements. Now there are n number of elements, right? Now what we will be doing is int sum is 0. All right, and the array is ranging as usual. जब ये array accept हो जाएगी तो we will be traversing the elements, right? तो that is something that we will be doing, and then sum is equals to sum plus equals to a of I. Pretty simple. We will be returning, but now what we will be returning is, it may be that the elements inside the array are decimal, or it may be that the sum might end up being decimal. तो what we will be doing here is that typecasting, यानी explicit, हम explicitly इसको typecast कर देंगे. जो हमारा रिटर्न होगा that will be double of sum by double of, right? So that is it for the first function for mean. Now what should I do for median and how should I go about solving median? देखो अभी हम median से deal कर रहे हैं ना, जब तो median में क्या होगा कि void median int a, the next thing that we should do is same int n. So what happens in case of median is that we need to sort the array. All right. So sorting के वक्त में क्या होगा कि there are two formulas of median. One is for the odd and one is for the even. Okay. So the first thing is that we have to sort the array. So we will use the inbuilt sorting technique को use कर लेंगे. Now for this I have already told you, whenever we use the inbuilt sort there is no place at the top. So I will write here, don't forget hash include algorithm. हमें इसे नहीं भूलना है to include it at the header file. Now once we have sorted this, the next thing that we should do is we should check if we should check if n modulo t is not equals to 0, or if n modulo t is not equals to 0, it means that it is not an even number, that is it is an odd number. So we will be returning, the formula for it was double of n by 2, I guess, right? Yeah. So we will be returning double of array of n by 2. Else what we will be doing is, this is the case. And if it happens that else, then return. And now what we will be doing is, a of n by 2 इसकी formula है, तो इसका formula भी हम typecast कर देंगे, that is double of, what is the formula? Double of n minus 1 by 2 plus n by 2 double of a of n minus 1 by 2 plus a of n by 2, and this entire thing now goes under 2 point, right? So this is the thing that we will be doing inside median. Okay, now comes the main part. So main part, you already know that we have to accept the array, and now after accepting of the array we just have to call it, right? Call mean and median. Pretty simple way to do. So that is it. So once you know the mean and median, all you have to remember is that median के लिए हमें sorting चाहिए, mean के लिए sorting नहीं चाहिए. And the assignment, keeping in mind this problem, the assignment that we will discuss, that I need you guys to do is, the assignment is that mode निकालो, mode find भी करो. I need you guys to find out the mode for an unsorted array. So figure out how you should be finding it out. And if you have any problems or any doubts related to this video, do mention it in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to just solve it. And up until the next time we meet, do take care of yourself and don't stop coding. Bye bye.